If you're looking to invoice with Xero, you're in the right place. Xero makes invoicing simple and professional, allowing you to keep your cash flow steady while saving time on your administrative tasks. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create and send invoices in Xero and even automate some of the tedious parts. Before we dive in, here's something to make your experience even better. You can use Xero for free from the first link in the description below. That's right, exclusive bonuses for you when you start today. Now let's get into invoicing with Xero. First things first, when you log into your Xero account, you'll want to head straight to the Business tab and select Invoices. This is where all your invoicing magic happens. From here, you'll be able to create, track, and manage all your invoices in one place. Click on New Invoice to start. Xero offers a simple template that lets you fill in the details. Start by choosing your customer from the drop-down list. If it's a new customer, you can easily add them right there. Just input their name, address, and email, and you're all set to go. Next, fill in the date and due date for the invoice. Xero also lets you set the default payment terms, but if you need to adjust this on the fly, it's just a few clicks. One thing I love about Xero is its ability to set up automatic reminders. You can ensure your clients never forget to pay without you needing to chase them down. After that, add your products or services. Xero integrates with your inventory, so if you've set up your items before, you can simply select them from the list and your prices will auto-populate. You can adjust quantities and rates if needed. Everything's flexible. Don't forget to add tax. This is automatic for most regions in Xero, but if you need to customize, that's easy too. Xero gives you the option to adjust tax rates or add any special fees, which comes in handy for different business needs. Once your invoice looks good, you can preview it. Xero's invoices are clean and professional, which means you can send them off without worrying about formatting. You can also add attachments if necessary, maybe an agreement or supporting document. Now just hit Approve to make it official. Xero also makes it easy to send the invoice to your customer. You can email it directly from Xero, and the best part? You can track when the customer opens the email and views the invoice. This helps you stay on top of things. If they pay online, Xero can integrate with payment platforms like Stripe, PayPal, or even credit cards, making it a seamless process. But what if you need recurring invoices? Xero has a fantastic feature for that too. If you have clients you bill regularly, set up a repeating invoice schedule. Just choose the frequency, and Xero will generate and send invoices automatically on your behalf. This saves you a ton of time and reduces the risk of missed payments. One of the key things I want to highlight is that Xero makes it incredibly easy to track your invoicing. You can view all sent, paid, overdue, and draft invoices in one simple dashboard. And if there's an issue, you can click right into the invoice to make adjustments or resend it. Xero also provides detailed reports on your invoicing, so you can keep track of your business's cash flow. You can see which invoices are overdue, how much you're owed, and more. This is critical for maintaining financial health in your business. And remember, as a quick bonus reminder, you can start using Xero for free right now by clicking the link in the description. You'll get access to exclusive bonuses, which will help you get even more value out of Xero, especially as you get started with invoicing. So, to wrap up, invoicing with Xero is easy, fast, and keeps your business running smoothly. From simple, one-off invoices to recurring billing and detailed tracking, Xero has you covered. Don't forget to grab that free trial from the first link below. It's the best way to get hands-on experience without any risk. Happy invoicing with Xero.